Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. I wish you a nice Monday, and of course let's see what is the position of the price today for Bitcoin regarding our channels. Kennedy channels here taken, of course, after finished a bull run, wave 1 here. We start to estimate, of course, our bear market. Is it gonna be a regular flat? A, B, and a C in 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or is it gonna be a double 1, 2 here? Wave 3 is unfolding downward in a 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 for lower prices. Currently, this base channel is gonna, of course, somehow confirm for us, are we in a wave 3 or are we in a regular flat? Because, of course, this base channel taken from this expanding diagonal, 5 waves, and we have a wave 1, wave 2, and then, of course, we might see a wave 3 unfolding toward the downside, finishing a wave 3, getting a wave 4, hitting the base channel as a support or resistance, I would say, in this case, and then pushing wave 5 again toward the downside, because you want to finish a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget, you still have a smaller 1, 2 here, which is going to be another 4 and a 5. In this case, of course, it's going to lead to a very deep correction, which we're going to see, of course, the targets and the labels in the next possibility. Now, currently, the price has jumped back, of course, you know, every time we come closer to break it, you see something pushing for higher again. That's very, very annoying, I know, guys, but we're still in this price decision yet. But very likely that we took the low here. We broke the triangle A, B, C, D, E. You took confirmation for lower, but now we see a retracement. Yeah, so we're gonna check this, of course, on the lower time frame, what is going on over there. So for the labeling and the possibilities for the daily, very, very high possibility as well that you might be, of course, in a ABC here to finish a WX and a Y in a wave A, then wave B, and then wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a regular flat, which it might be, of course, a shallow wave 2 here for Bitcoin before we push toward the upside again, of course, massively for a new bull run. Don't forget, you want to preserve, of course, this area as a support here around the 52K exactly, because yeah, this first is your 1-to-1 fib level as WX and a Y. Here you still can have it, and then you can still push towards the upside after it. However, it can be, of course, extended internally as well in several 1-2 here. Your wave C can be a very long wave C. We're going to see it, of course, in double 1-2 internally. Preserving the ABC, but it might be, of course, very, very strong there. Another different scenario here that it might be the deep correction that I explained, of course, a few minutes ago, that you might have double 1-2 here. Double 1-2 here means, of course, that this is your major wave 3 unfolding, of course, toward the downside. You might have 4-5, 4-5, of course, towards lower prices to finish a wave A at around 0.618 here, then having a wave B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside again for Bitcoin. Don't forget that this might be a longer correction and deeper again. It might take 0.618 time here exactly to start to finish this correction as a wave 2. 1 and then wave 2 and then pushing for higher, because of course the flat here, the regular flat, it might take less time here based, of course, as you can see, between the 0.38 and 0.618 it can be a regular flat and then pushing toward the upside. Yeah, so both are, of course, possible, but yeah, I mean, this can be somehow faster and more shallow, which it suits perfectly with a wave 3/3 here. Don't forget to go back to the deep analysis. You will know what do I mean, a wave 3/3, and this, of course, requires a shallow wave 2 here, which is very possible to be in a regular flat for Bitcoin, of course. Let's dive inside it, guys. Let's see what's going on. I'm also curious what's going on now. So basically, we have, is this 1, 2, 3? We're looking at this wave 4 triangle, perfectly finished breakout. We got something impulsively pushing down in double 1-2 here. Or it can be a 1-2-1-2, wave 3, also wave 4, and you're looking for wave 5, 4, and a 5. And that means, of course, right now, this impulse, let's dive in it. So as you can see, you have double 1-2, and we see 1-2-1-2, massive wave 3, but right now we see an impulse pushing backward. I don't know what's going on. So we gotta be careful. Invalidation of bearish. We have to mark, of course, this invalidation. Something wrong is going on right now. I don't like what I see because it has formed 5 waves already. Like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So is the market like, yeah, so the crypto market always works in reversal sometimes. So once we get reversal, 5 ways up here, so we gotta be careful. It's a red flag, okay, or it's a green flag here. So we gotta be careful. If this is going on right now, that we are reversing after double 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, that means, of course, yes, this is something not impulsive. I would say it has to be something very hard even to count it, but okay, let's say W, X, and a wave Y, something like this. And that means, and you took the low. So that will make it 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 3 ways down. A large W, X, and a Y is very, very far possibility, guys. I don't see it yet. Even, I don't know, there is something going on right now. It's just playing psychology, I believe. I think that it might continue toward the downside. It doesn't work because even here in this correction, it doesn't work. How can I put it as a correction and transform it to an impulse? It's impossible. It's already broken. I mean, let's say A, B, and a C. That means you are looking for at least diagonal, meaning still looking for lower. A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we are in, let's say, expanding flat, W, X, wave Y. Okay, if you are wave Y, A, B, C, you need an impulse. You need to finish it. So I think something is wrong here. Something is wrong. It's just playing psychology, guys. I think this cannot be really continuing as an impulse. I don't believe it yet. Before taking the invalidation, I don't believe it. I cannot trust it before taking the invalidation. Okay. Of course, the market is gonna be volatile right now. The global tension. Everyone probably thinks that it's gonna be a drop because, of course, we do think that it should be a drop. Yeah, so the market reverse, always there is some reversal in the market, especially by the whales. So be careful if this is going on, what's going on from, the whales, the institutions, everyone, they want to reverse, of course, the market because everyone thinks we are dropping down. Of course, they want to take the chance. So be careful with this. A signal that we are really in a reversal is taking the 67K 174. Of course, if we take this, then it is confirmed that okay, something is wrong, something is pushing for higher here. It might turn into it's so hard to cut the wave 3 there and pushing for higher. I'm not sure what the news are, if there are some news regarding also the war with Iran, if they got an agreement or something like this, and it has showed some potential for higher prices. We'll see, guys. Okay, so be careful. 67K 174 for me, even like it should continue towards the downside because definitely this is corrective, and we still need one more low, I think. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.